I'll show you. Today I'm showing you the air refresh, which people want to see, obviously. Otherwise, it's a bit pointless having the washer. But anyway, I've dried these towels on the washing line today, but like always, they're always dead scratchy and hard. Now, this air refresh cycle can be used to actually properly freshen up garments, and it does work as well. But also what I found, so you can only put a couple in at a time. I put 3 bath sheets in there. Now, to properly refresh, you can only put up to about 1 kilo. Anyway, I'm also using a tumble dry sheet. And the last one, we were on with Tesco Something Fresh. Now this properly helps as well, and properly refreshes with the tumble dry sheet. Switch it on, then press the air refresh button for 9 minutes. Jack! Right, the pump's gone off now, we'll be, I think, until near the end of the cycle and it'll do it again. But anyway, the air refresh cycle is, it basically just uses, Jack, move! You're in the way! The air... Look, stupid dog in the way. The air refresh uses hot air, which comes in from the top. Now, it's basically a washer dryer, a bit like, but it uses very gentle heat at about 30 to 40 Celsius. Now I think, if I remember right, when it gets to obviously 1 minute and the ends, the door opens straight away. There's no waiting around. Obviously there's 3 cycles. You've got this knitwear, which I'm using now. The suit one, which is 39 minutes long and you use the exact same tumbles. And the 46-minute bedding cycle, which is completely different. So again.
Set some shoes on.
Right. Airy Fresh Knitwear Part 2. 4 minutes remaining. I didn't catch the ending of the first load I was recording, so I'm recording it this load today. Minutes remaining. One minute remaining. Don't use hot heat. I'll show you after actually. So all these towels have actually become quite soft now. Nice. And they're reasonably warm. The only problem is you do get a build-up of sort of very minor fluff, but sometimes it can build up quite high as well.